Okay, so I brought the coax back up through here, and I run the coax down through the bed, up underneath the cab, and bring it up to the radio, and it seems to work. But for the life of me, I could not figure out what was going on. So anyway, now we got a Teflon bushing here, and another Teflon bushing here. Maybe it won't ground the antenna out. I still got my ground hooked up, and we'll have to see if it works. This 5-foot Francis antenna has been really good for me, and it handles power, and it's just always been a good antenna. And I'll be back.